So we've been working on this literally brand new Defender hardtop. It's only had about 300 miles on the clock. So when it came into us a few hours ago, so the customer wanted us to install, retrofit the proper OEM ClearSight because unfortunately it wasn't available as an option on this particular one. We had the same issue with our demo hardtop that never came with it, so I'll be doing another install video as regards to that. But so this one we've fitted all brand new ClearSight, which enables new mirror, new rear view mirror with obviously the screen display, and then obviously the new upgraded camera at the back. This has had to be activated as well, which we've done through our own JLR official software. And then at the same time, the customer didn't have adaptive cruise enabled. So these particular vehicles, the module and everything is already there, ready to go in the grills. It's just an activation. So we've also activated that for the customer as well. So I'll just do a quick walk round. There's not a huge amount to see, to be honest, but obviously this is the new rear shark fin that now includes the ClearSight, which is there. And then obviously I will just show you inside. Obviously we've still got the sticker on, but there's a new rear view mirror. So it's a total new rear view mirror that goes into there, and now obviously displays another bird's eye view for the camera, which is on there. And then also on here you'll see on the actual steering wheel now, this is where the adaptive cruise is now enabled. If cars don't have this this wouldn't be highlighted. It's but now that's activated. Now we've got the customer's got that new feature as well now for his vehicle. So if you own one of the latest generation Defender models, we're able to do various upgrades, whether it's OEM upgrades or whether it's spoilers, side steps, anything you can think of. Certainly security, we can certainly offer all those upgrades here now at Defender Retrofits, which is part of TTW Installations. So please get in touch.